Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decorating Ideas. This is amazing nice looking of your favorite home interior decoration ideas. In today's video you will be taught how to make the backyard or modern backyard or decorations of your house in which you can see that it was has very beautiful Muslims flowers and plants which this is amazing nice looking of your favorite home decoration ideas and backyard designing decors. Show this again very beautiful designing of your favorite home interior and home backyard decoration ideas. Indoor and outdoor decor ideas. And there is a very beautiful news for you that you can decorate your house beautifully by watching such lovely video on this channel. If you like the video, okay, then subscribe my channel so that such related videos can reach you easily. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. I hope you liked this video and I am really excited to share these videos your friends and families. And if you can enjoy this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas Latest Designing United States Country Style here and there. Thanks for watching.